Question number 5. Simplify. So in this question there are 3 numbers or 4 numbers, 4 rational numbers. We have to add or subtract according to the signs are given. So first we will solve the bracket. After solving the bracket, we will make the denominator equal. After making denominator equal, we will add and subtract their numerators. So here first I am taking the question number B. Simplify 1 upon 3 plus minus 3 upon 4 plus 7 upon 8. So here first we will solve this bracket. Plus minus becomes the minus. So here I have written minus sign, and all other numbers as it is. Now I am taking this question last 2 numbers, and I will take the LCM of these two. So the LCM of 4 and 8 is equals to 8, and I think you know how to take the LCM of 2 numbers. Write down the 4 and 8 and then see by which number you can divide. So you can divide it by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Now again you can divide these 2 number by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now the 2 number left here 1 and 2. Now you can divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2. Now this one written as it is, 2 1s are 2. So the LCM is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So LCM is 8. Or second thing, if the one number is multiple of another number, this 8 is multiple of 4, so the LCM is the bigger number, that is 8. Now this 8 we will write as it is, 7 upon 8, and here we will multiply 2 to make this 4 as 8, and so multiply its numerator also by multiply it by 2. So 2 3s are 6. So 6 upon 4 plus 7 upon 8. So first we will add these two. Here there should be 8. Okay, now write 8 one time and 6 and 7 in the numerator. Now 6 minus 7. Why minus? Because 6 is minus and 7 is plus. So we have to subtract the numbers. So after subtracting we got 7 minus 6 equals to 1, and the sign of bigger number, that is plus. Now 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 8. Now here LCM, we will take the LCM of 3 and 8. So LCM of 3 and 8 equals to 24. Now I told you, if there is no common factor or one number is not a multiple of another number, so the LCM is the multiplication of those 2 numbers. So multiplication of 3 and 8 equals to 3 8s are 24. Now so make this 3 as 24, multiply 8, make this 8 as 24 multiplied by 3. So you got 24, 8 upon 24 and 3 upon 24. Now add the numerators 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 equals to 11 and upon 24. 11 upon 24 is a proper fraction, so no need to change it into the mixed fraction. Now see the next question. 1 upon 8 plus 5 upon 12 plus minus 1 upon 9. Now here solve the bracket. After solving the bracket, plus minus equals to minus. Now here I took all the 3 denominators 8, 12 and 9, and I took the LCM of these all. So 8, 12 and 9. What is the LCM of 8, 12 and 9? Now here 8 and 12 can be divisible by 2. So divided by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, and this 9 we will write as it is. Next again we can divide this 2 and 6 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 9 as it is. Now we can divide 2, because here 2, 3 and 9. So this 2 we can divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2. Now 3 and 9 we will write as it is. Next this 3 and 9 we can divide. 3 and 9 we can divide it by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and this one we will write as it is. This one also as it is. Now 3 left, so 3 1s are 3. So the LCM of 8, 12 and 9 equals to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 12, 12 3s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72. So now make 8 as 72. How to make? Read the table of 8. So 8 9s are 70. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 9. Now 12. So 12 6 are 72. So multiply 6 in numerator as well as denominator, and 9 8s are 72, so multiply 8 in the numerator and denominator. So this number become 9 upon 72, this number become 30 upon 72, and this number now become 8 upon minus 8 upon 72. Now write the denominator 1 time 72 and write all the numbers with their sign. So 9 sign is plus, 30 sign is plus, so plus 30, and the 8 sign is minus, so minus 8. Now we will add the 30 and 9, so 39 minus 8, 39 minus 8 equals to 31, and this is also a proper fraction, so no need to change it into the mixed fraction. Now next question, E 3 complete 1 upon 7 and 2 complete 3 upon 9, these two number in the mixed fraction, so we will change it into the proper into the fraction. So 3 into 7, here I solve 3 into 7 equals to 21, 21 plus 1 equals to 22. Like this, 2 into 8 equals to 2 into 4 equals to 8, 8 plus 3 equals to 11. So the numbers are 22 upon 7 and 11 upon 4. So first change the mixed fraction into the fraction. Now we will see the denominator. So denominators are 7, 14, 12 and 4. Now we will take the LCM of these numbers 7, 14, 12 and 4. Now these numbers 12, 4 and 14 can be divisible by 2. So we will write 2 here. Here we will write 2. So 2, 7 cannot be divisible. 2 7 are 14. This 12 can be divisible by 6 times. 2 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4. Now again we can divide the 6 and 2 by 6 by 3 times, and 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Now these 2 7 are left, so that 7 we will write as it is. No need to change it, as it is we have to write. Now 7 and 3 left, so we will have to divide this number by 3. 3 1s are 3 and 7 as it is. 3 1s are 3. Now only 7 is left, so we will write here 7, 7 1s are 7. So the LCM of 7, 14, 12 and 4 equals to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 14, 12 and 12 7s are 84. So LCM is 84. Now make 7 is 84. So how to make? Read the table of 7, or one more thing you can do, you just divide the denominator, that is 7, divide the LCM by the denominator. What you have to do? Divide the LCM is 84 by the denominator. So denominator is 7. 7 1s are 7, 1 left. Now 14 and 7 2s are 14. So by dividing the LCM by the denominator you got 12. So you can multiply 12 and 7 to get 84. That also we can say. So multiply 12 here with 7 as well as 22. Now here 14. So read the table of 14. 14 6 are 70. 14 6 are 84. So multiply here also by 6. Now 12 7 is 84, that we have already seen. So multiply 7 by 7. Now 4 into 21 equals to 84. So multiply it by 21. Now what you have to do? Here denominator will be 84. So we have written 84. Now we will multiply 22 with 12. So 22 into 12 equals to what? 12 2s are 20. If you know the table of 12, directly you can multiply. Otherwise 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, and here also 2. Now add 4, 6, 2. So 264. 264. So we have written 264. Now 5 6 are 30 and 7 7 are 49. So we have written 49 here and 30 here. Now multiply the 11 and 21. So if you know the table of 11, direct also you can do 11 and 21. So 1 1. Now multiply by 2, 2, 2, 1, 3 and 2. So 231. So 11 and 21 equals to 231. 1. Now all denominators are equal, 84, so we will write 84 one time, and all the numerator we will write in the numerator part with their sign. So 264 having the sign of plus, 30 minus, 49 minus, and 231 is plus. Now we will add the positive numbers and we will add the negative numbers with negative numbers. So positive numbers are 264 and 231. So 264 plus 231 is equals to 495. So we will write 495, and 30 and 49 will be equals to 30 and 49. 30 plus 49 equals to what? 79. So we will write 79. Now we will subtract this 79 from 495. Subtract. Now 15 minus 9 is 6, 8 minus 7 1, and this 3, 4 as it is. So 416. So 416 upon 84. Now we can easily simplify 416 upon 84 by looking the common factors. So this number can be cut by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and this 2 2s are 4, then 1 cannot be divided by 2, so 0, 2 8s are 16. Now again we can cut this number by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and this 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 4s are 8. So we got 104 upon 21. Now what we will do here, the denominator is smaller than the numerator. Numerator is bigger, so we will change it into the mixed fraction. And how to change the into the mixed fraction? Write 104 inside here as a dividend, and the divisor 21 we will write here. Now 21 4s are 84, that we have seen, 84. Now subtract. So 4 minus 4 0, 10 minus 8 equals to 2. So quotient is here, remainder is here, and this is the divisor. So first that remainder we will write as a numerator, and divisor in place of the divisor 21, and quotient in the beginning before this fraction. So our answer is 4 complete. 20 upon 21 is the answer.